Are you tired of jumping between 5 different AI tools and chat windows just to plan a single project? What if you could bring all of your team's brainstorming, research, and AI prompts into one single visual canvas? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are looking at Miro, which is positioning itself as the ultimate AI innovation workspace. Whether you are mind mapping, mapping out product roadmaps, or trying to align a remote team, Miro wants to be the central hub where you and your AI tools work together. So what makes this platform different? Miro calls itself the collaboration layer your AI tools are missing. Instead of keeping your AI outputs locked away in separate chat threads, Miro lets you pull insights from tools like Claude, Notebook LM, or other research apps directly onto one shared canvas. From there, your team can visually review the findings, surface what actually matters, and immediately turn those ideas into structured diagrams, workshops, or product roadmaps. On paper, the features are incredibly robust. You get access to their intelligent canvas, specialized road mapping, flowcharts, and Miro AI. Plus, they boast a massive ecosystem with over 250 integrations and more than 6,000 templates to help you get started without staring at a blank screen. According to Miro, teams using their platform see massive efficiency boosts, like a significantly shorter planning process and faster time to market. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. For the pros, Miro is incredibly visual, highly collaborative, and makes it easy to bridge the gap between raw AI data and actual execution. It's built for scale, already trusted by over 100 million users. However, for an honest review, we have to look at the other side. While Miro's official data points to massive productivity gains, we don't have a large pool of independent third-party user reviews in our database today to verify how these new AI features perform for everyday solo creators or smaller teams under real-world pressure. Some users might also find that with so many features, templates, and AI workflows, there can be a bit of a learning curve when you first jump in. So, what's the final verdict? If you are already using multiple AI tools and find your ideas getting lost in translation, Miro is absolutely worth exploring. It acts as the visual glue to hold your projects together. Best of all, you can get started for free with no credit card required, so you can test out the canvas and see if it fits your workflow. But I want to hear from you. Have you tried Miro's new AI features yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest tool reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.